101.1 Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia. Welcome back. Anyway, guys, but give big applause first. BPC.
Wow, bright and
Oh, okay, come on, once again. BPC.
Wow, bright and breezy.
Nah. Okay, anyway, continue your statement as my question to you. Do you still remember my question?
What?
Yeah, your opinion about this topic and on your mind, what kind of scholarship do you know?
I only know LPDP, beasiswa unggulan, and Jarum.
Don't be give up. You're like, oh my god, it's like pasrah banget. But okay, keep your statement, Nufa. I'm going to you. What do you think about our topic tonight?
scholarship, yeah, it's like the big change for us when we want to continue our study or start our study, like to PTN perguruan tinggi negeri or PTS perguruan tinggi swasta or such as like university in abroad like that. Yeah, I think like the what kind of the scholarship, yeah, I think like regional scholarship like it's come from by government, like KIP.
What is KIP?
Kartu Indonesia Pintar.
Okay.
Or what is
that?
Yang LP3 LPDP. Yeah. Or like such as like many company or organization like Pertamina or Jarum or Hajikala or and there's like come from the abroad like beasiswa PPMI in Madinah or Saudi. Yeah, it's many scholarship, but we have to like keep try. Yeah, if you didn't get like the another scholarship, you can try to look for like other the scholarship. I think it's the big chance for us for like get the scholarship and continue or start our study.
Okay, thank you. But I move to next question. I start from you. My new question: which one is your dream if you wanna get scholarship, and why? Which one is your dream? What kind of scholarship your dream, and why?
Yeah. So of course I want to take some scholarship. I mean to continue my study abroad, especially to take my master degree in engineering department. That's why and this language is actually helped me a lot to go there. Yeah, it's the first step for me. That's why the reasons why I want to learn English is because I want to pursue my future to get higher education in abroad. And of course, like by getting, like study abroad, it takes much cost, Not only for the education, but also to live there. So we will facing a lot of problems. So for me, in terms of my financial, I couldn't fulfill all my activity there. Even to have food or something, I need to pay extra. I mean, it doesn't really enough for me. That's why I need scholarship. And from that scholarship, I can be a lecturer, inshallah. And then from that, I keep trying. Practice since now.
Do you keep the name? I mean, the name of the scholarship is already
LPDP,
on your mind.
LPDP.
LPDP. Okay.
Because in LPDP,
because all of are includes, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I see. LPDP
many
includes.
Of my friends in community, my community as well, they actually register LPDP as a place from that they can study abroad. And from I think LPDP is actually more better because they will give you money as soon as possible. Yeah. Because that's actually from government. So they really responsible for your payment. So I guarantee LPDP is actually
the best.
It's the best.
Okay, thank you. LPDP is a very popular. Okay, what about you? What the name of type of scholarship that your dream is your dream? I mean, and why?
I think like LPDP.
LPDP also.
Same.
Why?
Yeah, for I don't know, but if I just I'm study in my university, so I don't know what if can we get like the LPDP for continue our study?
Okay.
Yeah, in still continue my study, and then I think for after graduating, I just want like continue my study in.
What about the reasons you choose LPDP? Why?
Yeah, I think it's easy to access it. And
really?
Yeah.
Okay. Continue.
I think it's easy, and then it's popular. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, maybe like there is much like the competitor that wants to get it, or like many criteria about it for getting it, and then we have to try and we have to try about it. Yeah.
Okay, just it?
Yeah, just.
Oh, thank you. Nice. What about you? What is the name of your type of scholarship? The name, just mention it.
Maybe
and why?
The good one, LPDP for the government, or another. If I can do it, LPDP.
Maybe Fulbright or MNF or LPDP or many more. Actually, just mention one. Which one is your favorite? As a dream. Yeah, just choose one.
I choose LPDP.
LPDP, okay.
Go to,
why?
Why? I want. Maybe it's a basic. It's very easy. It's from government, right?
Yeah.
And I think I want to government help me for catch my dreams. I mean, like the government help me, and I will be put my soul after getting the scholarship. I will put my soul for the government too. So I will go
in
to
bahasa pengabdian, right?
Yeah,
okay.
right. I will like after that, I go to getting knowledge in another country. I will back to Indonesia, of course, and then I will go to a village. Who needs education? Who needs a teacher? Who needs someone who have a knowledge? And I will go to the. I will go
to develop
there.
your village, right?
Yeah.
Agent of change. You are the agent of change, right?
Yeah.
All of you guys. Okay. What about you, Nufa? What the name of scholarship or type of scholarship is your dream?
I still don't know yet, but
okay.
I want international scholarships.
But you still don't know what is the name actually. What is the exact?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
thank you for the honest.
And but I don't think to take LPDP. But I want I want to get scholarship from foreign government.
Yeah, foreign government. Like this is not only exchange also, but cross scholarship.
Yeah.
Right. Not only exchange student, exchange cultures, but also cross scholarship. That's why you just choose in abroad, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. What about you? Which one? I mean, what the name of the type of scholarship is your dream?
All right.
LPDP also?
Sure. I have bad experience in beasiswa unggulan.
Oh my god.
All right. I have two choices here. The first is Fulbright, and the second is LPDP. But I do prefer to choose LPDP, of course.
Oh, okay. Why?
First of all, I think I I don't really interest with another scholarship. Firstly, all of my seniors in my campus and take LPDP scholarship, and I see that and they also recommend that scholarship because it's really fully funded. Like our
just do not hesitate to combine your language in bahasa and English.
The point is it's fully funded. I mean, everything they pay for us. Yeah, that's it.
So, fully funded because fully funded. That's why LPDP is very popular.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, guys, we will be right back. Keep your statement and don't go anywhere, smart listeners. 101.1, the spirit of Indonesia, Smartfm.